There's a moment in every trader's life where patience meets precision, a moment where the market breaks, then whispers a second chance. That moment is called the retest. The market breaks structure. You feel the energy shift. You don't chase it, you wait. Because the smart trader doesn't jump. He watches for the retest. It returns, not by accident but by design. This is where the arrow points. This is where the profit lies. Whether it's climbing in an uptrend or falling in a downtrend, the retest is your confirmation. It says, yes, now you enter. Your target is clear. 50 pips, risk defined, lot size controlled, no emotion, just execution. You hit take profit, you don't chase more, you wait for the next retest, because this game isn't about noise, it's about clarity. This strategy isn't for the impatient. It's for those who trust the structure, respect the break, and enter from the retest arrow. Are you ready to trade with discipline? Are you ready to win and wait? Join us now. Download the free tools. Master the retest arrow strategy.